Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Well, today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite desserts, classic rice pudding. And I say classic because it has all the same traditional ingredients, all except for one ingredient. We're going to be using canned full-fat coconut milk in our rice pudding today. Now, if you've never used this to make your rice pudding, you will be pleasantly surprised at how creamy and what a wonderful flavor it adds to rice pudding. I think you're really going to love it. It's simple, it's good. You're going to want to make this. Check it out.